Have you ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue? Let's find out together. Imagine sunlight as a mixture of all the colors you see in a rainbow. When sunlight travels to Earth, it passes through the air, which is full of tiny particles and molecules. Blue light waves are much shorter and smaller than the other colors, so they get scattered in all directions by the air much more than red or yellow light. This special scattering is called Rayleigh scattering. Because blue light is scattered everywhere, no matter where you look, you see blue. That's why the sky looks blue most of the time. When the sun is setting or rising, the light travels through more air, and the blue light gets scattered away before it reaches your eyes. The reds and oranges, which are less scattered, make the sky look beautiful with warm colors like pink, red, and orange. Sometimes, clouds and dust can change the colors even more, making sunsets extra special. Next time you see a bright blue sky, remember, it's all because of the way sunlight dances through the air. Isn't science amazing? Keep exploring and keep asking questions.